Posters are the part of short composition, and they are, as every short composition is there, it is also of 50 words. Now, poster is similar to a display advertisement in its layout. If we, that's why sometimes it creates a confusion because the layout is almost the similar, but its purpose is different. It is usually designed with a purpose of creating awareness or impart information. That is what is the difference between. Now, everyone should pay attention to the difference. Display advertisement is, see, a poster is designed with a purpose of creating awareness or impart information, whereas a display advertisement is designed with an aim to promote sales and services. Hence, its tone is commercial. Whereas a poster is designed to create an awareness or impart information, hence, its tone is informative. A poster is a large notice announcing or advertising something. It generally creates social awareness about any problem or needs. It also conveys a social message in an eye catching way. Main features of a poster: layout. A creative title in the form of a slogan or rhyming words, for example, speed thrills but kills, pollution needs a solution, green is clean, or anything that is related with the topic. You can use matchstick figures for illustration. Now, generally, what is the confusion over here? That people think that in display advertisement and in posters we have to draw, but it is not there. You can draw, but if you are not so good at drawing, you can use matchstick figure for illustration. Proper spacing and proportionate headings and illustrations. That is very important. Date, time, and venue must be mentioned in case of an event. If it is a poster talking about certain events, so these information should be there. A poster displays a message or an appeal to create awareness. The content should be organized in an appropriate style. Now, the thing is that sometimes it so happens that in a given space we write everything on one side and one side remains completely blank. No, proper distribution of matter in the whole uh, part or the area which you are using for designing a poster. So every matter should be properly dispersed and properly placed. Use appropriate expression and correct language. The theme should be clear. The poster should be creative and related to the content, and theme should not be vague. Means you cannot be vague. You have to be very clear and specific about the topic that you are designing that poster about. Do not spend much time on illustration. Written language and expression will only help you score better. Now, name of the issuing authority or the organizers is a must. So, generally, at the end of a poster, we find this line: issued in the issued in the public interest or issued by. So, that is very important in a poster. So now this is a question. As president of Residents Welfare Association of Mayur Colony, Delhi, design a poster in not more than 50 words for promoting cleanliness in the surroundings of your colony. Now see, the heading: Cleanliness Promotion Campaign, keep your colony clean. So that gives us an idea what this poster is all about. Now, cleanliness of the colony is the duty of each one of us. That is an appeal to the people. Advantages of clean surroundings, safety from diseases, looks impressive. Now, this is the way the points can be put up over there. Bullet points or pointers or something like that. And then the slogan: let us get together for a cleanliness drive. So this slogan or something like that should be according to the topic. It should be appropriate. It should not be something out of the blue or something like that. Now see, when everything else has been completed, then it is finally issued by. Now who is issuing? So Residents Welfare Association, Mayur Vihar, Delhi, President RW, or whatever it is. So you look out, see that the things are properly placed and they are very clear in what they say. Now let us another. Not more than 50 words on kindness to animal to be displayed in city at public places, appealing to people to show kindness to animals. You are secretary of the Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. Now see, it is related to kindness to animals. So be kind to animals. No act of kindness, no matter how small, is ever wasted. Animals are living. Now these are all your creativity. You can. This is just an example. It can be written in any way. But again, the appropriateness of the things and title and every line that you are writing should be there. Now to see what are the highlights, they have been presented over here. All these things over here, and then stressing upon the whole topic, and finally issued for public awareness by Secretary Society for Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. So this is how the posters are designed.